Hello guys, I'm Sanchit. Welcome back to our channel Breathing Space. In this video, I'm going to show you something very amazing, and I believe this is something which I have seen for the first time, and that is these two things. Now, as you have recognized, this is an Adenium plant, and after giving flowers for the entire winter season, it has now blessed us with this seed pot. Now guys, this is my hand for reference. It's a big hand, and you can see that one seed pot, this one, is at least 15 centimeters long. I believe this is a world record, might have been a world record for the largest seed pot in a small Adenium plant. Okay, now as you can see, this is the soil mixture which I am using. The soil mixture is like full of stones and the material which provides very high drainage, and the only care which I have been doing is keeping it in a semi-shaded area, wherein the shade it receives are from different plants which I have over here. And over here you can see that the trunk is okay, the depth is this much, around 4 inches. And in terms of the fertilizing, I have given this some liquid mustard cake fertilizer once in 3 months when it was flowering, only in the month of January. Today we are in June. I don't know if you can see it or not. So it's 1:42, 20th of June. So guys, yes, we can achieve such a good result over here. Please put your comments in the comment section below to tell me if you have experienced this big seed pot anywhere, experienced anywhere like this. These are the two seed pots. Now if you'll see this Adenium, it is also has the same setup. The only change which I see has happened with this one is that it is present in the entire sunlight. So the entire sunlight comes on top of this. But for this one, it is under the shade of my different plants. That is the only difference which I believe I have done for my this as well as my this Adenium. But look at this, beautiful. Okay, so guys, I hope you must have enjoyed and surprised by seeing this video as well, this seed pot. Please do comment in the comment section and let me know your feedback. Till then, take care, bye bye, breathe easy.